Oh, hi there. Oh, stop, turn it off. Turn it off. Oh yeah, sweet. Yeah. 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 Today I'm just going to run you through how we did the plumbing and a couple tips on how to avoid what you have just seen. So stay tuned. Just got our hot coming up. This runs under the deck here, goes under the house there. It's looking nice and straight. Must remember to put in your metal inserts when using push to play fittings, as this helps stop the pipe collapsing on itself when you tighten the fitting. I have dried fit this, now I'm undoing it to put on the threaded tape to the brass fittings. This helps stops the leaks coming through the brass fittings. So we've got our cold water line, which will run out under here, and we'll tap it into the tee off here. So we've got a reducer tee, as the cold water tap is 22mm. And this pipe here is 18mm. So I guess I gotta get under the deck. Just cut through here with the old hacksaw, tidy up the edges and put the tee in and elbow it off. There it is, your tee, the elbow, another shut off valve, and that flows out around there. So we've got this E-flex stuff. This is just to protect the piping from the sun, as the sun will break it down over time. I'm hoping that it'll also act as some insulation for the hot water that's run out here. So here's our hot water line that runs outside. We'll attach a shut off valve here and then tee it in to our existing hot line. and it's just handy to have it shut off, or a shut off valve there, so if anything goes wrong with the new stuff that we've put in, we can shut it off. So there's another shut off valve somewhere down that end, and we'll turn that off before we start cutting into here. Get me a couple buckets for excess water that's inside the pipe. Oh, stop, turn it off. It's leaking slightly at the valve. Yeah, other pipes are okay. Yeah, looking good. Just one of the things to note when using these is to make sure you have your insert by these separately, and that your teeth for that goes inside here is facing that way and not like that, because they can flip around while inside here, and this will happen. So put these on like so, and you'll feel it hit the back of here. You screw it on, and that closes the teeth on like so. Nice and tight. When you're doing these, make sure your edges are nice and tidy, so that will need a file down, otherwise that can cause a leak if it's not completely flat. Oh, yep. I think she's just about done there.